Thank you for being here, Mr. Clark. Okay. Who said they would be right back? Okay. This case will come to order in Mr. Digital versus Hi Gavin, also known as Dr. H. Davis. Um, the Honorable Justice William, uh, the Honorable Justice William Carter presiding. Um, we'll go ahead and have the plaintiff start with his opening statement. The plaintiff will start with his opening statement.
I'm not bar certified, or I'm not.
It's
I'm not
a
really familiar with.
it's an opening
Yeah.
statement, so you can do whatever you want as long as it's not argumentative. Just talk about the
Okay,
facts of the
so
case.
I'm here to sue Highgaven for unprofessional conduct, endangerment of a citizen while on duty. Should I
Continue.
continue?
Continue. Just continue.
Yeah, breach of public trust, and also negligence of duty with intent to harm a citizen, and threats and improper use of authority. And also, I think there was one more. Where was it? I'm trying to find it right here. Violation of department policy, as he was in violation of the sheriff's department. And also, what am I? Jacob, can you please mute? Thank you. And then also, dangerous driving into private property, but I'm not even sure if that's something I can sue for, as that's not, you know, if you know what I mean. Do you want me to show the clip or
No, that'll be
the
later.
evidence? That'll be later? Okay, then that's all from me. Also, YG's a witness of the situation. So I'll just go on mute now if you want. I'm done with my
Alright. Mr.
thing.
The defense will now give their opening statement. Gavin, your opening statement, please.
Okay. Alright. So hello. So basically, my deputy called me to his advisor. Uh, me, Robert. Drug him. Sir, yes. Also, well, he said he was an attorney, so I hopped back in my car. He called me a good boy. So basically, when I hopped back in my car and when he called me a good boy, I will admit I have anger issues. So I stepped out of my sheriff vehicle, confronted him, and said, "If you want to, I will take off my vest and do a fist fight." In mind, be in mind, I was not actually going to do it. I said, "If you want to." Simply, I did not put my hands on him. I did not punch him or I did not fight him. I simply said, "Okay," got in my car, And
Am I
I'm
allowed to
trying
object
to
in breach of?
continue.
You're not
I'm
allowed to
trying to
object
continue.
on your opening statements.
So I'm
Okay,
okay.
so
So I
So
okay. So
all right, so basically. Continue so I can go on mute.
I
Order.
guess sure, but you're being wrong.
Order.
You're not saying it correctly.
Interrupting me. Where are you guys at? Like I said, basically after that, I'm willing to pay him as much money as needed. I will pay if I will. I'm just trying to handle this the right way, and this is why I attended court today because I want to handle this.
Okay.
Can I say something or no? Like, can I make one more statement?
Unless it's something different than his opening statement.
It's something of the statement. It's something about the situation.
He is allowed to say whatever he wants in his opening statement as long as it's not argumentative or.
Okay. So like I was saying, I'm here like suing you for the reason to make sure you don't get accepted back into the department. For the reason being, it's the main issue is not really money. Obviously, money is half of the issue, but half of the issue is also me suing you so this doesn't happen to somebody else again.
Someone else could do it, but okay. The plaintiff may share his first piece of evidence and break it down. So share your screen.
Yeah. All right.
Real quick, Digital, sorry to interrupt you. If you're not a part of this case, please go on mute.
Me?
I'm talking about the people that are joining the civilians.
Oh, all right, all right. Find it real quick.
That's fine.
Okay, let me show it. So as you can see, I'm just gonna wait till everybody can see my screen.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So as you can see, this is the sheriff that I believe called Highhaven for backup. This is YG. It was the active construction zone. And then my car is just here, parked normally, because it was always parked there. And then we're over here. So I'm just gonna play the clip, and you can listen to the audio yourself. Also.
Yes.
All right. So obviously the clip is half of it is self-explanatory.
Do you have anything bigger than that?
Do I have anything bigger than that? I don't have anything bigger than that, as that's the reason I'm suing him. That's the sole reason.
I'd like a little bit of context. Do you have like the full clip from
I
when?
don't have the full clip.
when
That's
that
the
chair
only
pulled
clip I
up?
have because I shortened it, but I can explain what happened if you want to in like normal terms, if I may.
Okay. Go ahead.
So it started off as YG was working at the construction site, and I could just share my clip screen again. This car right here was parked there illegally, the only reason I was here at that specific time was because YG, you called me over to the construction site, correct?
This is just
Yes, I
your
did.
first piece of evidence. You can question him later.
Okay. So YG called me to the construction site saying, um,
It's going to court.
This is in court right now. Yes.
Do you guys need a bailiff?
We're not in the in game.
Oh, okay.
But you
Alright.
could stay to mute people if they join. But
so the sole purpose of the entire start, from the start, it was the white car, the sheriff in the white car was trespassing there. I came there to tell him he needs to leave, that it's private property, because I'm his legal advisor. I'm not an attorney. I'm not a bar certified attorney. I'm a legal advisor. I advised him to leave, and then I believe he called Highhaven for backup, and then Highhaven escalated the situation by threatening me, and that's why I'm suing Highhaven.
okay. Defense, do you have any evidence?
No, sir, I don't have any evidence. I do not need evidence for this case. Yeah.
Okay. Plaintiff, you may call your first witness.
All right, my first day,
Alright.
Hold on.
and I just want you to ask them to the best of your ability.
Hold on. We have
Okay,
to
thank
swear him in first.
Well,
Let's see. Bailiff, do you have the? Oh gosh.
hello?
Go to what?
Do you have the swearing in template, or do you need it? Or can you swear in
need
the
it.
witness? Okay. I will. Mr. YG, please raise your right hand and repeat after me.
Well, I really raised my right hand.
Well, it's in roleplay, but do you swear to tell the whole truth? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, under the penalty of perjury? So help you God. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you may continue.
Okay, so YG, I'm gonna ask you a few questions. I want you to Last time I can call the witness.
After this, it's can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh yeah. After this, it would be High Gavin's turn, and then you could request for a redirect examination. So
I'm just gonna ask you a few more questions and then I'll stop. When have you ever has Highgaven ever come to the property before that incident?
I do not believe so. I think that was his first time.
Okay. But
Mr. Gavin, would you like to cross-examine the witness?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
I'm
Mr.
sorry for
Gavin,
what I did.
do you have any questions to the witness?
No, that's all I wanted to say.
Okay. Witness, you are dismissed.
all right, YG, you can leave. Thank you.
So I can go back to RTO, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, perfect.
Okay. Does the defense have any witnesses?
Hi, Gavin. He's talking about you.
Sorry, it's super loud.
That's okay.
No.
Okay. The plaintiff will start with his closing statement.
All right. So my closing statement is: this has caused me a lot of issues.
Mr. Gavin, your closing statement, please.
Yes. And then also,
You can't.
I've had to pay. I gotta hold on. Also, I've been having to see what is it called? Therapist because my anger issues and my anger issues, so I've got a therapist as me as well. So
Thank you.
Can I say anything to that or no?
Sure.
First of all, I would also like to say I want to add to my closing statement that what he said. This is not argumentative, by the way. If I go crash into a tree and I end up in the hospital, I can't blame the tree for what it did. It would be my fault. For you to claim yourself as the victim, knowing you're the one who firstly said you were gonna fight me and harm me, well, I didn't even do anything. I was just there. And also keep in mind that when you say you have anger issues, do you have any evidence or did you tell the department that you had anger issues? Do you have any screenshots, any messages proving
Okay.
before that incident?
I'm gonna stop you there. This isn't gonna help at all. It's not gonna help anyone. So I'm
All
gonna make
right.
my ruling. I'm gonna go on deafened for about 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and I'll give you my ruling.
All right.
We'll be in recess for 5 minutes for court records. Thank you. I'm just thinking. I don't know. It's like he has free speech. He's like saying, "Do you want to? Do you want to?" I think if I was to ball up my fist and I say I'm gonna punch you in your face, that would be more battery. But that would be more of what we're looking for. He's like, "Do you want to fight? Do you want to fight? Do you want to fight?" No, I think that's. I think that's what I'm gonna say. I don't think. I don't think it's enough. I just don't. Um, I'm gonna look at this evidence one time. I just don't think. Personally, I don't think it's enough.
If you
I'm just gonna clip the last minutes of
if you
situation.
want to do a fist fight, let's go. I will take my
Hey
first fist
Gavin,
fight.
hey Gavin.
Fist fight.
If you
Hi,
do
Gavin.
fist
We
fight, I'm
want to
calling
take
County
it
05.
A
not
fist
take
County
it.
05.
And
It's like if you want to. I'm not. Yeah. I think. I think I'm not gonna. I don't think I'm gonna. Because unprofessional, I do agree was unprofessional. Verbal threatening, I don't think. It's like, do you want to go? Do you want to go? That's. Emotional distress, I don't think it would have caused him too much emotional distress. I didn't even see anything about all of that, so it's just hearsay at this point. Endangerment of a citizen, I don't even think he can sit on that. Provocation, though. Verbal assault, no, we didn't verbally assault you. Um, it's just, do you want to go? Do you want to go? If I was to ball up my fist and punch run.
Your boredom. Watch this.
Okay.
Okay. Did
We'll be
you
back
come
in
to
session.
conclusion, sir?
I did. It is the ruling of this court. I will be siding with the defense, as Mr. Highgavin did not do any of these, even though a little bit of neglect was present. I don't feel it is enough to give him
So I
what is
lost.
that, $200,000 in compensatory and punitive damages and court costs and everything.
I
else.
have to pay.
No, you don't.
I lost. Did I win or did I lose? I don't know all
Lost.
these terms. I lost.
Yes.
How did I lost with proof and everything?
Oh, my house.
It's not that he didn't. It's
Alright,
sorry.
so
It's that
I'm
It's
talking,
that he
I got it.
didn't
Shut the
do-
fuck up. I'm confused how this guy had 0 witnesses and I had witnesses.
Mr.
This guy
Order,
didn't have-
order.
This guy didn't
Stop
have a
talking.
clip.
Stop talking over me. You're gonna be held in contempt.
I'm just gonna have a.
You're
I'm just
gonna
have a
be
reach
held
out.
in
I'm just gonna
contempt.
sue
You're
again.
gonna be held in contempt. You're ordered to pay $2,500 to this court. Okay.
Damn,
You are
son.
talking over me, and you also cussed at me. I don't know why you did that at all.
I didn't cuss at you. I cussed out Highgate.
Stop.
There's a difference.
Just stop. You shouldn't be cussing at any officer of this court or any side.
He's not an
Okay,
officer
you're
of the
ordered to
court.
pay $2,500 to this court. Mr. Clerk, please note that down.
I'm
My
gonna DM
ruling
him
stands that
real
I'm
quick so he can
I'm
handle
ruling
this.
against you. I'm
I don't care.
sorry. Excuse me.
No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
What did
can
you
do
say?
Whatever you want. Don't
What
worry.
did
I said I'm gonna handle this a different way. You can do whatever you want, cause I believe there's some fishy going on. Keep in mind,
you're more
I
than
had a
welcome to a
witness,
retrial.
I had a clip.
It doesn't
I
matter.
had
I'm ruling on the
proof,
basis of
and
the
this guy
facts to this
didn't do
case.
anything. So I think it's biasness. So I'm gonna contact.
You're more than welcome to have
Somebody.
a retrial. I can explain you all through this, but if you're gonna yell at me, I'm not gonna do that.
Well, you don't have to. I'm just gonna handle it a different way. It's fine.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. So, when am I going to receive my pay?
Yo,
You're not getting. You're not
You know what?
getting.
yo.
You know
You're
what we
not
should do?
getting any money. It's.
Yeah.
No one's ordered to pay anything.
Go to a different VC and I'll tell you.
So it's
Judge, when am I
basically
gonna
I'm
get my money?
I'm
Don't-
saying
I'm gonna DM Akul or Jake, and I'll just.
I'm
get this
saying
guy off
that-
as well.
or he just doesn't want to hear me. But I'll make this known for the record. I will rule in favor of the plaintiff, but I will order $0. Okay, so he doesn't have to pay anything. Mr. Gavin just has to pay court costs to Mr. Gavin, to the plaintiff. There's still $2,500 for contempt against the plaintiff. That
Thank
is the
you
ruling
so
of this court.
Thank you, like, so
We are
much.
joined.
'Cause, like,
Adjourned.
I've been, like, unable to, like,